Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to remove watermark from any image in just one click using watermark.io. No editing skills needed. So whether you are cleaning up a meme or restoring an old photo, this particular tool makes it super easy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to head over to watermark.io in your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your mobile device as well. Now they have also launched their official application on Google Play Store or App Store, so you can download the application from there as well. Now the best part about this tool is that you don't need to sign up. It is absolutely free and work almost instantly. Over here, you will see the upload image option. So you can either upload the image and you can even paste the image or the URL here. So if you click on the upload image option, you need to simply select that particular image on which you have the watermark and the photo which you want to basically use without watermark. Now once you do this, it is gonna be taking some time and show you the before and the after of your photograph, so you can download the photograph without the watermark. Now you must be seeing that there is no option available here because for free you are going to get it only one watermark remover every single day. If you have done that, you won't be able to do it again. You will have to go to their pricing and purchase their plan. For free you will get only 3 credits and 3 free downloads. So the quick reminder here is that only use this tool on the images that you own and have the rights to edit. It is great for fixing the old personal photos and images with the accidental overlays, not for removing the watermarks from any copyrighted content. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.